Hi, I'm Susanna here. This is my house. This, my ID introduced me, Raymond. So I think it's quite okay, no harm to try. And after that I tried that, it's quite good, yeah, actually. That meant it's easy to clean up everything. When you stand, everything, you just use a white cloth to mop it. Then everything, the service is quite good also. They come here to, to demonstrate how to clean it, everything. Although when I do the new time, that time is a bit of stain, but after that I mop it, everything is okay. The stain is gone, yeah. Yes, I will recommend because it's quite easy to maintain, yeah. Thank you to using my house for Caesarstone, and bye-bye.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.